Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Smart Learning with Sontak Kesar. Today we are going to study Bridge Course Day 42nd exercise. The topic of the exercise is coordinate geometry and the subtopic is the graph of linear equation in general form. In this, the graph of the linear equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In this, a and b is not equal to 0 intersects the both axes. The coordinate of any point on the line satisfy the given equation of line. In this exercise, we will see to draw the graph of given line and some activities. Let's see the first question of the exercise. Choose the correct alternative answers for the following questions. In this first question is to draw the graph of x minus y is equal to 7. Find the value of y if x is equal to 3. Options are given a 10, b minus 10, c 4 and d minus 4. Here the value of x is given 3. Substitute this value in this means minus y is equal to 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4 and minus y is equal to 4, that is y is equal to minus 4. How to find the answer? See here, first write down x minus y is equal to 7. In this equation substitute x is equal to 3. If we substitute the value of 3, then we will get minus y is equal to 7 minus 3. Therefore, minus y is equal to 4. Multiply this equation both side by minus 1. You will get y is equal to minus 4. And this y is equal to minus 4 is given in option D. Therefore, option D is the answer. Second question of this is to draw the graph of 2x plus y is equal to 12. If the value of y is 4, then find the value of y. Options are given A8, B4, C6, D2. In this question, the value of y is given 4 and find the value of x. Then what to do? First write the given equation, then substitute the value of y, you will get the answer. First write down the given equation. In this given equation, substitute the value of y is 4. Therefore, 2x plus 4 is equal to 12. In this 4 is plus. If you transfer here, it will become minus. Therefore, 2x is equal to 12 minus 4. Subtraction is 8. If you transfer this to this side, then x is equal to 8 upon 2. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Value of x is 4 given in option B. Therefore, option B is the answer. Second question of this exercise is complete the following activity to draw the graph of x minus y is equal to 1. Here activity is given. In this activity, see here, in the given activity, here x minus y is equal to 1. This equation is given. In first, if we put value of y is 1, means instead of y, here 1 is there. You can transfer this one this side, it will become plus, means here 2 1 is given. Means first is given how to complete the table. Second, value of y is given 2, means here what will come? X minus y, value of y is 2, therefore here will come 2. Then this minus 2 is there, if we transfer there it will become plus 2 and addition is 3 already given. Here what is the value of x? Then value of x is 3. Therefore, the coordinates of the points are 3, 2. Same way, here value of y is minus 3 given, here minus 3, here this 3 plus 3 is there. If you transfer here, it will come minus 3. Then 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Here x coordinate already given. Then and y coordinate is also here. Then what are the coordinates of the points? Minus 2, minus 3. In this way, complete the table. Here we got 3 points, coordinates 1, 2, 3. Then plot these points on a graph. Check either these points are linear or not. If linear, then draw a line passing through it. This is the graph of the given equation. So plotting the above pairs on a graph paper and draw a line passing through these 3 points. Here this table is written which we completed. Then we will plot these points on the graph paper. First, on graph paper, draw x-axis, y-axis, then write the measures 1, 2, 3 means scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. After drawing this x-axis, y-axis and writing scale, first we will plot the first point, that is 2, 1 means x coordinate is 2. Here on x-axis, from this draw the perpendicular to the x-axis and y coordinate is 1. Here that point will get, which is shown on the graph. In this way you can plot the points. Similarly 3, 2, that point will become here. If we draw perpendicular, it is at distance 2 from the x-axis and 3 from the y-axis. And last point is -2, -3. Then we will check these 3 points are collinear or not. Then we will draw the line, and this is a line of equation x minus y is equal to 1, and this is a graph of equation x minus y is equal to 1. Third question of this exercise is solve the following sub questions. In this first question is plot the points 1, 2, 3, 6, -2, -4 on the graph paper. Decide whether the points are collinear or not. If so, draw a line passing through those points and write the equation of that line. Here to plot the points, here to plot these points on a graph paper. So on graph paper, first draw x-axis and y-axis in this way and write the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on the both axes. Then we will plot the points, that is first point is 1, 2 means on x-axis 1 and y-axis 2. Here that point will be come 1, 2. Second point is given 3, 6. Here x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 6. This point will become here. And last point is given -2, -4. This will come in third quadrant, which is shown on the graph. Then draw the line passing through these 3 points. Second question is decide whether the 3 points are collinear or not. Yes, these 3 points are collinear. Therefore write the answer, these 3 points are collinear. And in this last, write the equation of the line. Here the equation of the line is 2x minus y is equal to 0. If in this, if you substitute 1, 2, then we will satisfy the equation. 2 ones are 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Like this way you can check these points can satisfy the given equation or not. Therefore the equation of line is 2x minus y is equal to 0. Write this equation on graph paper, that is equation of line is 2x minus y is equal to 0. This is the equation of given line. Second question is draw the graph of following equations. Equations are given. First 2x plus y is equal to 5, second y is equal to x plus 3, and third x is equal to y. Here we will take first equation, that is 2x plus y is equal to 5. Write this equation in the form of y is equal to. Therefore y is equal to minus 2x plus 5. Because to LHS side only y will be there. This 2x will transfer here, that is minus 2x. Therefore y is equal to minus 2x plus 5. This is the equation. Now make a table of equation y is equal to minus 2x plus 5. In this equation we will take any value of x, then we will get the value of y. And at last write down there the coordinates, that is x, y. First, if we will take x is equal to 0, write that value in table. Then substitute this x is equal to 0 in the given equation. Then we will get y is equal to minus 2 into 0 plus 5. That is y is equal to 0 plus 5. That is y is equal to 5. Write this value in table, that is 5. Therefore, the coordinates of the points are 0 and 5. Next, second, we will take value of x is 1. Write this value in table. Again, substitute this value in the given equation. Then we will get the value of y is 3. Then write this 3 in table. Therefore, the coordinates of the second point are 1 and 3. If we take value of x is 2, write this value in table and then substitute the value of x is equal to 2 in the given equation. If we simplify this, then we will get the value of y is 1. Write that value of y is 1 in table. Then the coordinates of the points are 2, 1. And fourth value of x, we will take x is equal to 3. Write this in the table and substitute in the given equation. After simplifying, we will get the value of y is minus 1. Write this value in table and the coordinates of the points are 3 and minus 1. In this way, you can complete the table, and by using this table, we will plot the graph. On graph paper, first draw x-axis, y-axis and write the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Then plot the first point, that is 0, 5. 0, 5 means that point is lie on y-axis, which is shown on the graph. Then second point is 1, 3 means x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 3. That point will become here. Next point is 2, 1. Here on x-axis 2 and here y 1. That point will be come here. And at last value of x is 3 and y is minus 1. Then from this point we will draw a line passing through it. Means these points are collinear. And this is the graph of equation 2x plus y is equal to 5. In this way you can draw the graph of given equation. Second equation is given y is equal to x plus 3. Same way, draw a table of equation y is equal to x plus 3. In this we will take value of any value of x, then we will get the value of y and coordinates. Then suppose first if value of x is 0, here value of x is 0, directly I am writing here, then y is 3. Therefore, the coordinates of the points are 0, 3. Second, if value of x is minus 2, then we will get the value of y is 1. Therefore, the coordinates are minus 2, 1. Here equal to minus 2, then just addition is there 1. If you will take 2, then 2 plus 3 is 5. Therefore, the coordinates are 2, 5. And at last, if you will take value of x is minus 4, then minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Therefore, the coordinates are minus 4, minus 1. Plot these points on a graph paper. For that, on graph paper draw x-axis, y-axis, write the scale on it. Then we will plot the points. First point is 0, 3. See here, that point will become here. Second point is minus 2, 1. Third point is 2, 5. And fourth point is minus 4, minus 1. In this way, that 4 point will be collinear. So, from this point, draw a line, and this is the graph of equation y is equal to x plus 3. And the third equation is given x is equal to y. Again, prepare a table for the equation x is equal to y. Same way, take any value of x, we will get the value of y and we will get the coordinates of the point. If value of x is 1, okay, then y will get 1. Again, if you will take value of x is minus 2, then value of y we will get minus 2. coordinates of the points are -2, -2. If we take x is equal to 3, then we will get value of y is 3. Then the coordinates of the points are 3, 3. And at last, if you take x is equal to 5, then we will get the value of y is 5 and the coordinates are the 5, 5. These 4 points we will plot on the same graph. Then first plot the point 1, 1, it will become here. Then second -2, -2, third 3, 3 and fourth, fifth point. Means check these points are collinear or not and draw the line passing through it. This line is passing through the origin and this is the graph of line x is equal to y. In this way we can draw the graphs of given lines. Dear students, if you like the videos, then share, comment and subscribe the channel.